Hey, it's Brandon, and if you're new to the channel, I'm a janitor who loves to clean, and in this video, I got a good one for you. We're gonna be cleaning up the greasy carpet here at Leo's Diner, and by these before shots, I think you can see it definitely needs a good cleaning. This is always one of my favorite jobs to do because the transformation is always extremely satisfying, so definitely make sure you stick around to the end to see the results. Now when it comes to cleaning greasy carpet, there's kind of two steps. First, scrub and break down the grease buildup and then flush it out with a steam cleaner. So I'm mixing up some hot water in this product here called Grease Hog in this machine called a Cimex. The Grease Hog is our degreaser and the Cimex is our super duper scrubbing machine. It evenly lays down the degreaser and scrubs it in, breaking down that buildup, so when we come through later with the steam cleaner, it flushes out super easy. Alright, that's enough talking for now. Just sit back and enjoy this cleaning transformation. And there you have it. This carpet cleaned up amazing. The owners of Leo's Diner were super happy with the results. And I appreciate you guys watching till the end. If you have any questions, drop a comment and I'll see you on the next clean.